What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the Chef Show. Before we tell you what we're gonna make today, I want to introduce you to one of my guests. What we got over here on the wheels are still doing her fine chopping. I got Gabriella, or Gabby for short, and Chef that is. Gabby, what are we making today?
We're making the Caribbean Jack chicken.
Jack chicken? I thought it was jerk chicken. But it's Jack? Is it Jack or is it jerk? Jerky Jack? Which one is it?
The Caribbean jerk chicken.
Alright.
I thought it said Jack.
So, what we're going to do, we're going to put everything together for y'all guys, and we'll be right back. Alright, we are back, and the chef here has put her secret ingredients together. So, I'm going to pan it over to her, and she's going to tell you exactly what she put in her secret sauce.
Alright guys, so basically, we had some chicken, and we have the sauce that I'm about to show you guys how to make. And we had it marinating, and let me tell you guys something. It smells so good, I swear. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make it. So first, you guys are going to need your green onions, jalapenos, garlic, ground thyme, and pumpkin pie spice, lime juice, brown sugar, and last but not least, soy sauce. Then, after you get all your ingredients in your bowl, we're going to come over here, put it in our blender. Alright, we are all done. About to try it. Make sure it tastes good.
We'll pretend it to you. Spicy?
Tastes amazing!
A little bit spicy.
Alright, so I'm back. I am going to cook my chicken and get some grill marks, some nice grill marks, on the George Forman grill. And then I will plate it after it is done. We're going to leave it on there for 2 to 3 minutes. That I had already made all this stuff off camera, but I just wanted to show you guys how you would represent this. And we put some side dishes on, yellow and green zucchini. We have some rice with green peas. I made the rice in a rice cookie, you know what I'm saying, with the Szechuan seasoning. I put it in my rice with the green peas, and then, like I said, we're gonna add our. It's almost done, you know. Just, oh my god, look at that. That looks amazing. Literally, the smell.
I can't wait to taste it.
Oh my god. I'm so ready. Just a little bit longer.
Alright, we back for the final product. For once, I want to thank y'all guys for checking out my YouTube channel. Like I said, we bring you a lot of different content. Like I said, I want to thank my special guest, Chef Gabby. But first, I want you to take a final look at this end product. This is amazing. She did an outstanding job. First, it was my son. He volunteered for one item. Now, Chef Gabby did her thing. So once again, thank you guys, and we'll see you again.
All right, peace.